Hello. Got a set of Tim Shaw PAFs in here. The bridge pickup got a nice long lead to it. It's come out of '86 Les Paul Custom, patent number stamped on the back. Got pictures of it. It's got the plastic spacers, everything. I'll get an ohm reading on it. The front pickup is a patent number stamped. It looks exactly like a Tim Shaw pickup to me. The only difference is it's got the wood spacers in it, so it might be a little bit older. I'm not going to say that that's a Tim Shaw for sure, but it sure does sound like one. And it's got the same patent numbers, and it's got the rough cast magnet in it. Got it mounted up in a 2013, just a little Gibson SG solid mahogany body. Got some orange caps in the back. It's a 60s tribute, but I'm going to replace these pickups, probably put these pickups up for sale. I just do a little sound test. I got a Fender Deluxe, run a clean channel up in the neck position, start with. Go to the middle. The neck pickup's a little bit stronger than the bridge, but the bridge is nice. Go to a dirty channel on this a little bit, put some overdrive to it. Starting the bridge. Go to the middle. Back up here to the neck, down the neck. I'm gonna take it off that and throw it in a little PB Viper that I've got. Just see, put a little bit of dirt in it, just to get an idea between a solid state amp and a tube amp. Bridge position. Go to the middle. Go up to the neck position. I think this neck position pickup sounds great. pickups. I'm going to take them out of here. I put them in this guitar, but kind of overbuilt the guitar a little bit. I'm going to put the guitar up for sale too, but put these Tim Shaws up for sale. Got some hand age covers on them that I aged myself. They got gold poles in them, nice long leads, but I'll put an ohm reading on it. So thanks for looking. Have a good